Hi guys, Sesi's got a couple new balls to play with in her pool. She doesn't know which one to get first. You have to remember to blow out when you put your nose under, baby. She's got water in her nose. When she just puts her nose under, she does blow out. So she's real good about that. But when she's trying to, I guess, open her mouth, then it would, to get the ball, it'd be harder to blow out while you're trying to get a ball, I'm guessing. She's got a little water up her nose. I wish I had a big pool. That'd be really fun for her. But the chlorine makes their skin itch. I used to have a pool when I lived in Vegas, and my dog would be itchy, but she loved the pool. Swam every day almost. It's good exercise. Getting that one spinning. Here you see the bubbles. Smart girl. You can't breathe that water. And now where are you taking that? That's for the pool. It's for the pool. Hey, Missy. Oh, now she just wants to play with it out of the water. It's not near as fun out of the water, probably. It's not gonna spin and all that too much. Well, a little bit. She's getting to spin a little bit. Well, she's got some claws, let me tell you. She's still breaking the skin on my arms when she jumps up sometimes. She's getting better about not jumping up, but she still jumps sometimes. But anyway, okay guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.